How to log into Turkish Airlines. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Turkish Airlines and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, turkishairlines.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner, you're going to find this icon. Click on it. With that, login page will appear. Now here you're going to find different sections as Miles and Smiles and Corporate Club. Select the option for which you want to log in. I'm going to select Miles and Smiles. Then you have to provide your account's credentials to log in. Go ahead and type in the membership number. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. Clicking on this drop down, you can also use other sign-in preferences such as email address, Turkish ID number or mobile number. Well, this is how you can easily log in to your Turkish Airlines. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.